Hi friends, let's talk about one of my favorite topics today, and that is protein. And I want to talk to you about protein, not because I want to talk to you about building strong muscles, although strong muscles are super important, but I want to talk to you about how can we have clear communication. I can see you, but am I talking to you? And are you hearing me? Well, did you know that proteins are responsible for the same thing in the body? The right proteins make sure that the body sees what it's getting and it says, I know what to do with that. Proteins also say, hey, and then they say, oh, I heard you, I know what to do. And that's super important when it comes to things like making beautiful hair or skin or building healthy muscles, but it's actually really important when it comes to all the things that our body does by way of hormones. So your proteins that you're choosing are going to direct what the hormones in your bodies are doing. And we all know what happens when our hormones aren't doing what we want them to do. So let's think about this. Have you ever thought about, gosh, I need to get more protein? Maybe you're thinking, I eat Greek yogurt, and I say, I'm going to have Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt because it's got more protein. Or you think, I'm going to choose that bar over that bar because it's got more protein. Or you think, gosh, I really need to have a burger today because it's got protein. And maybe you're thinking, I got to have the burger because I love the burger too. Well, here's the thing. Looking for protein and at each eating occasion, and we need about, anywhere from about 6 to 15 grams of protein. That's really important. But the bigger point, the thing that's going to affect that communication is the quality of the protein. So I brought along a few friends today to make my point. One of my favorite friends is wild salmon. We love wild salmon. Why do we love wild salmon? Well, because wild salmon packs in the protein for us. If you can see, and remember, I'm still learning to do this, but if you can see there, we get in the teens in terms of protein for one serving. It's a super efficient form of protein, and it happens to be a form of protein because of the types of essential fatty acids that are also in wild salmon. It happens to be a type of protein that helps to reduce inflammation because it presents our omega-3 fatty acids. So that's a win-win. But did you know the whole plant kingdom also is going to supply protein for you? For example, another one of my favorites, and you can see how much it's my favorite because the bag is already open, my hemp hearts. You know what? A serving of hemp hearts is also going to provide you 10 grams of protein. So remember, I said a serving size is between about 6 grams of protein and 15 or 20. So if you have those hemp hearts and you toss them on top of blueberries, boom, you've gotten your protein. And guess what? Those proteins, again, provide essential fatty acids, the kind that also help our hair, skin, and nails glow. We all want that. But that really good body supporting and blood sugar management protein as well. And don't forget about our almonds. We also love almonds, are a great source of protein. Again, we've got organic raw almonds here. They're going to give you a great amount of protein. Again, they're going to give you healthy fats in there. And then if you are going to choose a bar, I recommend a bar like the 22 Days bar, where if you look at the protein, this one happens to have 6 grams per bar. One of theirs has 20 grams. There's a fluctuation depending on if it has added rice protein to it. But the most important thing about that bar is that in addition to the protein being high quality, all of the other ingredients are high quality. So what do you want to look for when you look at a protein? Well, ideally it's a whole food, like my nuts and seeds that I just showed you or the wild salmon. But if it has to be something that's a piece or a part, look for organic, non-GMO. Look for things like rice protein, hemp protein. If you're looking at pea protein, make sure that it's non-GMO pea protein. That's really, really important. And I also like a blend of protein. So it could be a blend of pea and rice and hemp and all of these together. So just remember, if you're thinking about more protein, that's not the right point. You want to be thinking about what quality of protein am I bringing into my body? And that, my friend, means that not only will you and I be communicating, but inside of you, all of that great communication will be happening too. So I look forward to communicating with you again soon, but in the meantime, enjoy some delicious protein and tweet me at Ashley Koff if you want to tell me what protein you're having. And also, if you need some help knowing what is a protein, go ahead and check out on my website at ashleykoffrd.com the free nutrition plan. It's got it all mapped out for you there. You don't have to do the work. I've already done it for you. Take care.